First of all, copy this link. I have provided this link in the video description and open up your favorite web browser. I am using Google Chrome here. And then paste the copied link in the search bar and hit enter. This is the official page for downloading Visual Studio Code for all the operating systems. Now click on this blue download for Windows button. It says thanks for downloading VS Code for Windows, and you can see our VS Code installer file has started downloading here. It's around 76 MB file at the time of recording. Once the downloads get finished, click on this up arrow and then select Show in Folder. We need to install this file. Simply double click on this file and it will start the setup wizard. Let me close all other windows so that we can focus on installation part. Here, accept the license agreement and click on Next button. Just leave it as a default for the destination folder. Just make sure you have at least 296 MB of free disk space available and click on Next button. No need to change anything here, just click on Next. Check Create a Desktop icon and don't forget to check Add to Path. If it's not already checked, click on Next. Now it's ready to install Visual Studio Code on your computer. We can click on Install button. It will take some time to install. It says completing the Visual Studio Code setup wizard. Check this box to launch Visual Studio Code and finally click on Finish button. This will automatically launch Visual Studio Code for the very first time, and it's all done here. We have successfully installed Visual Studio Code on Windows 11 machine. Now you can code with your favorite programming language like C++, Java, Python, JavaScript, C# inside Visual Studio Code on Windows 11 PC. If you followed the steps in this video and reach until here, I am assuming this method has been working for you. So I am requesting you to please like the video and subscribe to my channel. It won't cost you anything, but it will definitely boost my morale for making more such videos. Subscribe.